All, all glory to Sri Guru and Gauranga. I am Dr. Raghavananda Rai. I am one of the direct disciples of Bhakti Kebal Oddi Maharaj, who was Gaudiya Acharya in the real Gaudiya Guru Parampara. My father, Bhakti Kumud Jatisekar Das Prabhu, was one of the direct disciples of Bhakti Siddhanta Swasti Goswami Prabhupada. My grandfather, Tailakana Rai, was also one of the direct disciples of Bhakti Siddhanta Swasti Goswami Prabhupada. I am sharing this Harikatha to all of you, in which I want to verify, talk about real Guru Parampara and especially about Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur. Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur was born in the year 1895. He was the next spiritual master of Gaudiya Math after the uppercut of Bhakti Siddhanta Swasti Goswami Prabhupada, who was his Guru and Gaudiya Jagat Guru. Bhakti Siddhanta Goswami Prabhupada, during his prakat in this world, he had mentioned in Srimad Bhagavat chapter 1 Gaudiya Bhasya Ananda Gopal Tathya Mangalacharanam that Sriram Gopalase Vasudevananda Dase Thakiyato Sada Lahanam. This means we need to take the center of guidance of Ananda Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur and do Harinam. Swasti Goswami Prabhupada also had mentioned during his prakat period, the Rupa Goswami Bani will be told by Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur to all. Based on this instruction of Bhakti Siddhanta Sudha Goswami Prabhupada in 1937, after the uppercut of Bhakti Siddhanta Swasti Goswami Prabhupada, everyone, including Gaudiya Math, which includes S.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Sridhar Maharaj, Keshav Maharaj, Madhav Maharaj, Bhakti Vivek Bharati Maharaj, Kunjo Babu, the then Gaudiya Math secretary, and other brahmacharis, sannyasis, everyone anonymously selected Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur as their Guru. However, after Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur became Guru, within a during of first 3-4 years, there were many issues. One, such as Kunjo Babu, the then Gaudiya Math secretary, filing court case against Ananda Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur for Gaudiya Math property. Two, internal Math dispensary issues where Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur found the young brahmacharis were indulged in all illegal relationship with women, etc. 3. Then there were groupism issues such as few people supported Kunjo Babu, few others formed their own set of people. There are physical attacks by Kunjo Babu group of people towards the people who were close to Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur. The Gaudiya Math property case which Kunjo Babu filed against Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur, Kunjo Babu lost the case in the court. But even after Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur won the court case, he still gave away 48 modes to Kunjo Babu out of 64 modes which were established by Swasti Goswami Prabhupada for Shuddha Bhakti Prachar. Gaudiya Math got divided into two parts. Gaudiya Math, Kunjo Babu, Gaudiya Mission, Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur. In between all this which were happening within Gaudiya Math, some of the disciples of Swasti Goswami Prabhupada, such as S.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Sridhar Maharaj, Keshav Maharaj, Bhakti Vivek Bharati Maharaj, Madhav Maharaj, etc., these people decided to leave Gaudiya Math. Except few people such as Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Maharaj, Elder Brother of Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur, Bhakti Kebal Odli Maharaj, Bhakti Sudhakar Prabhu, N.K. Sanel, Sundarananda Vidya Vinod Prabhu, Jatisekar Das Prabhu, only they understood the Gaudiya Guru Parampara. They followed Bhakti Siddhanta Swati Goswami Prabhupada's instructions, that is, take the guidance of Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur. Rest all got diverted from the real path. People who lived Gaudiya Math, such as S.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami, Sridhar Maharaj, Kunjo Babu, Bhakti Vivek Bharati Maharaj, etc., they did not take the guidance of Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur. Rather, they themselves preached and became gurus on their own and established their own maths, such as ISKCON and other Gaudiya Sampradaya maths, which we see today. But since these people who became gons on their own are not gurus as per the Guru Parampara, 90%, 99 of the Gaudiya Sampradaya mod today are not following the real Guru Parampara. They do not keep Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur in the Guru Varga. Listen it is through Bhakti Siddhanta Suja Goswami Prabhupada, who is our Gaudiya Jagat Guru, had ordered that to take Ananda Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur's guidance. After Ananda Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur, the real Guru Parampara has advanced in it is still there even today. After Ananda Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur, here is the sequence how Guru Parampara had advanced further. One Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur, two Bhakti Prati Tirtha Maharaj, three Bhakti Keval Urdev Maharaj, four Bhakti Bhushan Bharati Maharaj. Bhakti Bhushan Bharati Maharaj was the last Diksha Guru and he had ordered myself to protect real Guru Parampara. Currently, the Gaudiya Guru Parampara is in secrecy and in hidden state. Only fortunate souls who are willing to know about the true path to reach Golok Dham, they will understand. I was ordered to spread the body of Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami by Bhakti Bhushan Bharati Maharaj, who was Gaudiya Acharya after Bhakti Urli Maharaj. Also, my father Bhakti Kunj Jatisekhar Das Prabhu, who is regarded a Siksha Guru by many devotees. He also ordered me to spread the body of Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur and provide guidance to people who wants to know the truth about real Gaudiya Guru Parampara. As per Bhakti Siddhanta Goswami Prabhupada, there is no difference between a Diksha Guru and Siksha Guru. Those who are in the real Guru Parampara both have equal power to take fallen souls to Lord Krishna. We need to understand that without taking guidance of a real Parampara Guru, we cannot reach Golok Dham. Please discuss Dandavat Ananta Vasudeva Puri Goswami Thakur ki joy, Bhakti Siddhanta Satya Goswami Prabhupada ki joy. Joy. Gaudiya Guru Parampara ki joy. I have kept original Gaudiya Harmonist, Paramarthi, Nadia Prakash, etc. published by Bhakti Siddhanta Goswami Prabhupada. Please read our website www.gaudiyaguruparampara.org about after Bhakti Siddhanta Sutta Goswami Prabhupada. Joy Guru Parampara ki joy.